A great day. My name is John Louis B. Batito, and I'll be presenting through this video my work about electromagnets. At this point, and before anything else, I'll start this by checking all the necessary materials. First, the battery. Then the copper wire and nail. Lastly, the stapler pins. In this process, I just wrap the wire around the nail. Then connect the ends of the copper wire to each end of the battery using the electric tape to hold the wires in place. However, when I tried it for the first time, it doesn't seem to work, leaving me so much in confusion. So I think thoroughly, and yes, this is due to one of the four main factors that affect the strength of an electromagnet. Checking it again, I finally understand the problem now. It's because of the loop count. It's one of the factors affecting its strength aside from the current, the wire size, and the presence of an iron core. As when I try it for the second time around, it works. I ensure this time that the wire wrapped around the nails tightly, leaving no gaps between and not overlapping the ramps. Thus, the pin got magnetized.